Good afternoon, dear students. In the previous video, we have seen the logic for adding n natural numbers. Now let us convert that logic into program. So we know that we need to add n natural numbers, that is sum from 1 to n. So we are taking a variable n here of type integer, and since we are doing the addition operation, we are taking one more variable, that is sum equal to 0. I have initialized it to avoid any garbage value. Now we will ask the user to enter the value of n, and the value will be held in the variable n. We know that we need to do the addition operation n minus 1 number of times. So we are taking the help of the for loop to do that, so that the value of variable I is starting from 1 and it is going up to n. Now in the first step, we know that the sum is 0 and the I value is 1. We will be just adding 0 to 1 because we need to start addition from 1. So 0 will be added to 1. So as a result, we will have sum as 1. Next, we'll go back to the for loop and we will increment the value of I. So we can observe that I value is increased to 2. We have to check the condition 2 less than or equal to n. So this condition is true. So we will come back to sum. So now 1 will be added to the next I value, that is 2. So 1 plus 2, the sum will be 3. So we have the value of sum as 3 now. Next, we'll again go back to for loop. I value will be incremented. It will be now 3. So I value is increased to 3. We will check the condition 3 less than 5. The condition is true. So we will come to sum. So previous value of sum is 3 and now we are adding I value 3. So 3 plus 3, we have the result as 6. We'll go back again to the for loop. I value will be incremented from 3 to 4 now. 4 less than or equal to 5. The condition is true. So we will go back to sum. Previously we have the sum as 6. Now 4 will be added to it. So 6 plus 4, the sum will be 10. Again we'll go back to the for loop. Value will be incremented to 5. So 5 less than or equal to 5. The condition is true. So we will go back to sum and we will add now the next value of I, that is 5 to the 10 previous sum. As a result, we got here 15. Now again we will go back to for loop. I value will be 6 now. 6 less than or equal to 5. Condition is false, so we'll come out of the for loop and then we will be printing the value of the sum. Similarly, we can print the value of sum using the formula what we have seen in the previous video, that is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So both way we are trying to print the sum of n natural numbers. So I think we have successfully converted the logic what we have seen in the previous video to the program. Now let us build and run this program. So we can see we have built and then we'll go for run. So I'll give the value of n as 5 and we can see that the sum of 1 to 5 is 15 and using the formula also it is same. So that will be the program. So next program about sorting the numbers we will see in the next video. Thank you.